Hey vacay family, it's your girl Sean.
And it's your boy KC. You know, we always on vacay mode, but we got something different now. What are we now?
Now we got weight loss mode.
Yeah, you guys. So we got something new in store to let you guys know. We star in the new show, Dangerously Obese, on TLC, you guys. Definitely check it out. You know, it's on TLC. So on here, you're going to see a lot of our journey on doing what?
A whole lot of ups and downs when it comes to weight loss. It's going to be books. It's going to be cooking. We're going to show you all the ins and outs, the highs, the low, everything that's been going on with us.
Yeah, we're still going to be enjoying our vacations, you know, and doing everything, and we're going to take you along with that. But things are going to be a little bit differently. We're going to be a little bit more healthier. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be much more inspiring. And also, too, we have a nonprofit organization to help those that are on their journey as well. You know what I'm saying? So definitely check out our LinkedIn below, you know, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And for all those who've been hanging in there, that's been loyal, you know, saying vacay fam has been holding down, thank you for still holding in.
We appreciate you guys.
So what we're going to do is, you know what I'm saying, see you guys on weight loss mode, you guys.
Bye.